What's up, Mikachuu gangs? Mikachuu back in the cut with another video. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. Because you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. In today's video here to show you guys how I'm doing my fringe bangs using the sewing method. I already sew in the front part, now I'm just sewing the rest of the hair. I got the hair from off AliExpress, which is Domino's official store. You might see that they don't got a lot of reviews on their hair, but I tried it out. Thank God that they gave me some good bundles, because I definitely took this hair out a couple of days ago. I washed it, I dyed it black, and it came out pretty good. So I'm just go ahead and install the rest of the hair, and I'll see you guys once it's done. Now that I have finished installing the rest of the hair, I just went over with some bio silk and some flat irons and flat on the rest of the hair. Yo, look at his hair. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to have give. Because I definitely had this hair for a month. Took it out, washed it, and dyed it black. And it's still giving body. But yeah, for this part, I basically had parted my hair into sections, flat iron, hot comb, and put some mousse in the back. So that way it can have this flat look in the back. And then for the sides, I just flat iron and I had used the hot combs. So that way when it's time for me to cut my bangs, I can have this flat look. Alright, so I decided to put my wig on so that way when I cut my bangs, I can cut it into my liking. But I was just looking, I was thinking like it's not giving what it's supposed to have give, because you know everything not for everybody. So I was hoping like this shit is really gonna look cute on me once I'm done this shit. Alright, so I used the Gossipy glue that I got from my local beauty supply store here. And that's when I glued my edges down, used the Gossipy glue spray, went over that and, you know, sprayed it down on top of my edges. Pulled the closure down and used the Gossipy glue spray again to spray on top of the hair and the closure. And I just used my wrap to wrap my hair up, let that air dry or blow dry, whatever one. So once I took the wrap off, I began cutting the closure using scissors and an eyebrow razor. part of my hair into sections. I did not go straight down. I just went like on the side. I made like a triangular shape type. And that's when I had put it in a ponytail and flat iron and hot comb the back of my hair so that way it can stay flat in the back until I proceeded to cut my hair. Now that I flat ironed and I had used the hot combs in the back of the hair, I did the same thing for the front of the hair, so that way for my bangs I can have like this flat look in the front. Now that I'm done flat on and hot comb the edges, I just bring the rubber band down. That's when I cut it. That's when I cut it a little bit again, upward some. That's when I start trimming my hair. Because once you cut it, you cannot go back. Now I'm going in again with my hot comb and my flat irons so that way I can have this flat look for my bangs. For this part, you guys, I just was freestyling with my hair, you know, trimming it to my liking, cutting off the sides so that way it can have like this like bangish look in the front, and with my sides like slowly, you know, being long on the side. I don't really know how to explain it, so you'll see me doing that. Now I'm going in with the concealer so that way it can match my skin complexion, and I use some mousse so that way it can lay flat in the back, and just a little bit on my closure so that way it can just lay flat in the front too. Go in again with the hot comb and the flat irons. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see next, or what you guys think about the video. But again, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. Because you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video.
Okay, bye.